few days ago I reviewed this Invicta watch under the premise of it being the best budget alternative to the Rolex Submariner, but it turns out I was mistaken. Let's roll the unboxing. This is the Addiesdive MY H3 We'll call it the Addies watch. It's retailing for $39.99 USD in the Addiesdive website. Despite its dubious low price, the watch is actually surprisingly capable. The dimensions are 41mm across the case, 48mm lug to lug, and 13mm thickness. The lug weight is 20mm. The movement is a quartz Miyota 2115, a reliable Japan-made caliber with plus to minus 20 seconds per month, which promises 4 years of battery life. The case top is brushed with polished sides. The back features a protruding case back that's decorated with the Addiesdive logo. The oyster-style bracelet is surprisingly good quality, featuring push-pin solid links and solid end links, which is rare at this price point. The outer links are brushed, while the inner links are polished. The safety double pusher deployment clasp is of decent quality, with pressed upper and lower components. It also offers 3 levels of micro adjustments. The branded screw-down crown is another great addition at this price point. It is big enough to be easily operated and is protected with the polished shallow crown guards. Everything is made out of 316L stainless steel. Let's get to the juicy stuff. I promise I'll keep it short. The dial is black, but it gives away hints of very deep blue under certain angles. The dial configuration is similar to that of the Rolex Submariner, with a 3 o'clock date window. The Addiesdive logo is represented below the 12 o'clock. Divers 200 meters above the 6 o'clock. The hour, minute, and seconds hand are all Submariner inspired. All is topped with a mineral glass crystal. The level of finishing on the dial is exceptional considering the price of this timepiece. Speaking of finishing, make sure to tick that like button for me before finishing the video. Thank you so much. The bezel is ceramic. Yes, ceramic at this price level. And if that's not enough for you, I was surprised twice here. The bezel action is great. I mean, satisfying 120 click. Not only that, the bezel indices are all loomed. I know, it's hard to believe, but it is. Both the dial and the bezel indices offer a very solid lume experience, with blue lume on the bezel and green lume on the dial. Overall, the finish is at the highest standard you could expect from a sub 40 USD diver. In terms of wearability, it wears comfortably on my 6¼ inch wrist. What could be improved? Well, let's start nitpicking, my friends, because it's hard to find something bad in a watch that costs this much and offers such a high standard of finishing. I would love it if this watch offered female end links. They allow the watch to wear true to size. If the clasp was milled, that will make this watch a home run. Additionally, I would love to see either a quick release bracelet or drilled lugs. With that in mind, I don't hold it against Addiesdive because the watch is already offering way too much compared to what I paid for. Would I recommend this watch? Absolutely yes. You can't go wrong at all at this price point. I believe this watch makes the Invicta Pro Diver obsolete. I will release a video soon comparing the two of them, so subscribe if you would like to see that. If you are looking for other solid homage watches, check out this video. It's a review of a grey Tudor Black Bay 58 homage watch.